Thank you so much for stopping by this Sunday for our Tea Bar Sunday in the Cozy Corner. Thank you all so much. I really appreciate all the support I get from all of my awesome friends. And thank you so much for all the wonderful comments you leave every week. You all mean a lot to me, and I want you to know how much you mean to me. Hugs and kisses to all of you that show up every single week and give us so much love and support. We really enjoy hearing from you. Well, let's see what we did for Tea Bar Sunday. It is Tea Bar Sunday, and this Tea Bar Sunday is going to be Valentine's time. Oh yeah, I got my little elf all ready, and she says, I love you. Happy Valentine's Day. Isn't she the prettiest thing? Look at those big, beautiful blue eyes and those rosy cheeks and that little mouth. Just the perfect color of pink and the beautiful little ears. And she's dressed all up so pretty in her black and white blouse and her red velvet jacket and her pearl buttons and her little velvet pants and her little slippers with those beautiful little hearts. Now we go over to our heart teapot. Now our little elf is new, and I spent $16 on her. The teapot I've had for about 3 years. It came from Hobby Lobby, and these little bowls are new, and they were $2.50 each, and the plates are also from Home Goods, and they were $2.50. So we did spend a little bit of money on this, but not a lot. We spent, would be what, $5, about $22. Everything else that we are sharing, we have already had for years, and they are not new. And I thought it turned out pretty nice. Even my beautiful tray here is from Hobby Lobby, and it was about 3-4 years ago when I bought it. I bought the teapot and the tray the same time. I bought it for Valentine's probably 4 years ago, and I thought it turned out good with what we already had. What do you think? And the saucers and the teacups I've already had for a while too, and my little spoons that are in here also. So what do you think? Did you think I did pretty good for $22? Now keep in mind, once I have used these on a post, the next time I use these pieces, there'll be no cost. I did go buy the donuts, but I don't count donuts or any food item as a cost because it's something we're going to eat, and we're not going to be using it at a later date. And we have to eat. And of course, the flowers I've had for quite some time too. And I thought because of the white, they looked really good with the white, red, and black theme of my Valentine's tea time in the cozy corner. You know, I don't drink coffee, so we don't do coffee bars, we do tea bars. So what do you think? Do you think it turned out nice or not? Let me know what you thought of all the beautiful things that I have found by shopping my house. We shop the house before we start any project, and as you can see, this ended up being a little bigger than my area, but we made it fit. We always do. So let me know what you thought. Leave me a comment. Always love hearing from my awesome, awesome friends. And we'll try to do a tablescape pretty soon for Valentine's. We'll try to do something in every part of the house. We always do a cozy corner every month. And this month, of course, was for Valentine's. Oh yeah, it turned out pretty nice. I thought so. What did you think? Yep, Valentine's is one of my favorite holidays. Is it yours? And it's not because I go buy a lot of stuff. I just like it. And I thought everything turned out pretty good. Before starting any project, always go shop the house. You will probably have lots of pieces like I do that can be used over and over again. I used the beautiful tray I've had for quite some time, multiple times this year. And we'll be using that beautiful heart-shaped teapot also. I thought everything turned out great. Let me know what you thought, my dear friends. Well, don't forget, we love sharing with you, and we'll try to do something to do with tablescapes. Tea Tuesday, well, we do Tea Tuesday tablescapes too, but we always try to do something in the cozy corner. So Sunday will be cozy corner day, and let's see what we can put in here, something different every week. And sometimes it might be a fairy garden, sometimes it might be tea bar Sunday, or fairy garden Sunday, or something. But there'll always be something to enjoy in the cozy corner.